Hey, second fridge. This is a GE. Looking to see where it is from.
Yes, it is $80 zip code.
Okay, thanks.
Take your time.
Thank you.
My name's Eddie. If you do have another question, let me know.
They will deliver it. They will hold it until the end of the month. The damage on this one is on the side. This is the side that faces the... I think that would be below the bottom of the counter. You would not be able to see this in our house. And they said there was damage in the front, but again, I cannot find it. I'm just trying to figure out where this is actually made. It is an extra deep one. I'm going to open the drawers, show you where everything is. This is the ice maker and water dooley-doo. It's enough room for gallons of milk. Shelving comes out. Fruits and vegetables, adjustable, climate zone, meat. Okay, one big drawer. Big bottom storage freezer, and then another adjustable. Sorry. Well, I'm not going to break that. So, an adjustable slider thing for the drawer. I don't see anything wrong with this other than the stuff on the side. We did look in the back too. And again, this is a... looks like somebody had damaged the bottom part of the back. And all we would need to do is take it off, bend it straight, screw it back in. So, as long as I can find out where it's made today. See what you think of this. Anyway, talk to you soon.